get your message through, neither wind, nor wasp, nor frog in the night will stop me. Whoa! Huh? You didn't mention ladybugs. Miss Cassandra, shouldn't this special honor go to an extra cute bug like me?
Actually, Laura, the royal messengers are always bee.
But they get to wear those adorable folded flower petal hats. I'd look so adorable in that. Sneaky Max.
Wait for Nemo.
Safer underground. By the air, it's faster. That's not fair. Cheater.
Everybody always runs into me. I keep on going, but no one's saying I should be a junior messenger.
You'd be a very fine one, but you're not a bee.
Miss Cassandra, shouldn't the job go to the one who can do it the best?
I suppose.
We could have a contest. Each of us can carry a message, and we'll see who can deliver it first.
It's a bit against tradition, but why don't we give it a try? Whomever delivers the message to the Queen of the Hollyhock Hive will be named Honorary Junior Messenger.
Yay!